warm welcome from Aussizz group. I'm Malcolm, your PTE coach, and friends, I'm very happy today that I have Sai with me. Friends, Sai took the PTE test recently and has scored a perfect 90. A perfect 90 is a score of 90 each and 90 overall, which is fantastic. So Sai, if you could just introduce yourself to your viewers, please.
Hi guys, my name is Sai. I'm from Hyderabad, India. I've been in Australia for 5 years now, and I've been trying to get my perfect PTE score for a while. I've done it 2-3 times, and I've realized if I can do a master class one day, then I know what I'm doing wrong and how can I do it better. So yeah, I've done it. I've took the class for one day, and yeah, I gave my test and I got the 90.
Fantastic, Sai. So friends, many of us aspire to get a 90, and believe me, it's not that difficult. It's pretty easy, as Sai is putting it forward himself. Sai, you attended the one-day class, so if you could just share with the viewers, like, how was the experience and how did it help you, if at all?
I had a very good reason to come for the class, actually, because one of my friends has recommended it.
Right.
And yeah, as soon as I got in, the moment you started giving tips and how the marking and scoring system works, and how to avoid the time wasting questions and save the time for the better scoring questions. So yeah, these sort of really minute things which can be a big deal in the exam has totally helped me survive the exam and yeah, get my score.
Friends, he's being very humble and modest. He's very good with his English, and I'm sure he put in a lot of effort as well. But yes, as he correctly said, 1 point here and there, you never know when you get it, when you lose it. So yes, definitely it helps. And Sai, also I'd like to ask you that now you've got this 90, which thousands and thousands of people aspire to get 90 each, but it's difficult. It's not that easy for everyone.
Yeah, true.
So one main thing, what is the main thing which you think got you this 90?
Yeah, so when I started the test, yeah, I knew like it was like every other time. But this time I was more determined to get the 90. I was like, no, I'm not going to give the test again. It has to be this time. And yeah, so I had moments where I was doing really low in 1 or 2 questions. But I put that behind me and just went ahead with another question with a calm head. And I was really focused, and I just thought, every question is a new beginning, and I just did it that way. Like whenever I was doing wrong, I just thought, I have to do better in the next question. Probably I can cover it up. So yeah, that way I went ahead with all the questions in the entire exam, and yeah, more than anything, I was determined and committed that I have to do it this time. So yeah, I've done it.
Fantastic. And friends, as Sai said it very plainly, it's very common with generally everyone who gets 90 that you need that presence of mind. You need a very cool head to crack the test. It's very easy, but as he said, he had some 1 or 2 questions where it was a bit dicey here and there maybe.
Yeah, true.
So, but you can't stop, you just need to keep on going, and you never know, you'll get a 90, because PT gives many opportunities to get 90 actually. It's not just one question which decides your fate. So that's how it is. And last but not the least, would you like to recommend Aussizz PT to the viewers who are viewing this video?
Yeah, 100%. I would definitely recommend Aussizz for PT coaching, and definitely Malcolm in that, because yeah, as you can see, the result is obvious. So yeah, definitely. I had a really good help from Malcolm.
Thank you so much, Sai. And as a small token of appreciation from us for Sai, we have a small gift for you, Sai. So many congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
And we also have some other gifts for you. So many congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being so kind with the feedback. So friends, what are you waiting for? If Sai can do it, so can us. If he can get a 90, so can we. Don't waste time and don't waste your efforts. It's a very easy test, provided you have the gumption that you can ace it. And yes, if there's a helping hand, definitely don't let it go. Definitely you should get a 90 for sure. Thank you so much for viewing the video, friends. Think PT, think Aussizz. Thank you.